Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to allow everyone to comment on your Instagram stories. If you've been wondering how to update your settings so anyone can join the conversation, you're in the right place. The process is simple, but you'll want to follow each step carefully to make sure your stories are open to all. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're inside, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. This will bring you to the space where you can manage all of your account details. Next, look up to the top right corner and tap the menu button, the three horizontal lines you'll see there. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all of Instagram's customization tools are found. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Comments. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside, you'll see several settings that determine who can interact with your posts and stories. From there, select the option called Select Stories. This is the section dedicated to choosing who gets to leave their thoughts on your stories. By default, it might be set to friends or followers, but we're going to change that. Finally, choose Everyone. With this setting turned on, anyone viewing your Instagram stories will have the ability to comment whether they follow you or not. This makes your stories more engaging and allows a wider audience to share feedback, thoughts, or reactions in real time. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings so that everyone can comment on your Instagram stories. This is a great way to build community, spark conversations, and make your content more interactive. Just keep in mind that with more open settings, you may see a mix of comments. So it's always a good idea to check in and moderate as needed. Now you know exactly how to open up comments for your stories and make sure your Instagram feels more inviting to all. Thanks for watching.